There's a saying that goes, "Your life can be transformed by just one great idea." It's a truth that many successful entrepreneurs know all too well. What's surprising is that the idea doesn't have to be revolutionary or unique. In fact, many millionaires today have built their fortunes on simple, repeatable business models. The key lies in execution, scaling, and leveraging today's digital tools. In this guide, I'm going to share 11 work-from-home business ideas that can generate $1,000 plus per day. These ideas are based on real businesses that are thriving in today's economy, and I've personally seen them work. The beauty of these businesses is that they can be started from the comfort of your home with minimal investment, allowing you to build something sustainable and profitable over time. Whether you're looking to quit your job or just create an additional income stream, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right into the first business idea. First on my list, selling custom candles with print on demand. Candles are a product that people love to buy for all kinds of reasons: relaxation, home decor, gifts, and special occasions. The candle market is booming, particularly on Etsy, where unique custom-made candles are in high demand. However, what you might not know is that you can create a profitable candle business without ever touching wax or wicks, thanks to print-on-demand services. How it works. Instead of manufacturing candles yourself, you can use Printify, a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell customized candles. You design the candle's label or branding, and when a customer makes a purchase, Printify takes care of the production, packaging, and shipping. You never need to handle inventory, which drastically reduces the upfront costs and risks. Getting started. Sign up for Printify. Create a free account with Printify to access their product catalog, which includes customizable candles. Open an Etsy shop. Set up a free Etsy account where you'll list your candles for sale. Etsy is one of the most popular platforms for selling handmade or custom products. Design your candles. Use Canva, a free design tool, to create beautiful candle labels. Think about themes such as holidays, personalized gifts, or seasonal scents, and tailor your labels to match. List your candles. Once your designs are ready, list your products on Etsy, mark up the price to ensure a profit, and start promoting your shop. Example of profit margins. On Etsy, candles typically sell for $15 to $40. The cost of producing a candle through Printify averages around $9. So if you sell a candle for $30, your profit margin could be around $21. Now imagine selling hundreds of candles per month. Why this works. The demand for unique and customizable candles is enormous. Customers are looking for items that reflect their personalities or offer a special touch, especially when shopping for gifts. By leveraging print on demand, you eliminate the risk of overstocking or wasting materials, making this an ideal low-cost business model. 2. Selling motivational posters, which are another popular product on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. Mac Anderson, a legend in the motivational poster industry, built an empire around these posters, generating $75 million in 1 year at his peak. Today, you can recreate that success on a smaller scale thanks to the ease of digital design and print-on-demand services. How it works. Selling posters in today's digital age is as simple as generating a quote, creating a design, and uploading it to a print-on-demand platform like Printify or Gelato. When customers purchase a poster from your Etsy shop, the print-on-demand company handles the printing and shipping for you. Steps to start. Generate quotes. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to come up with original motivational quotes. Design posters. With the help of Canva, create simple yet impactful designs that feature your motivational quotes. Upload to print-on-demand platforms. Upload your designs to Printify or Gelato and list them for sale on Etsy. Price competitively. Posters typically sell for $30 to $50. If it costs you $20 to print and ship, you're left with a $10 to $30 profit per sale. Why this works. Motivational posters are simple to create, and there's always a demand for them. Offices, gyms, classrooms, and even homes use these posters as decor and inspiration. The design doesn't have to be complex. Many of the most popular designs are minimalistic, featuring just text on a plain background. 3. Dropshipping stained glass designs. If you're looking for a unique dropshipping business, selling stained glass designs could be a fantastic opportunity. Stained glass has become a trending home decor item on platforms like Etsy, and it's easy to start this business by leveraging AliExpress. How it works. In a dropshipping model, you never hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your Etsy shop, you purchase the product from AliExpress and have it shipped directly to the customer. The key is marking up the price to ensure you make a profit on each sale. Steps to start. Search for stained glass products. Go to AliExpress and search for stained glass items. You'll find everything from birds to butterflies that cost a fraction of what they sell for on Etsy. Create an Etsy shop. List the products from AliExpress on your Etsy shop with a higher price tag. For instance, if a stained glass item costs $9 on AliExpress, sell it for $35 on Etsy. Fulfill orders. When a customer buys from your Etsy store, you purchase the item on AliExpress and have it shipped directly to the buyer. Example, there's an Etsy seller making close to $23,000 per month from just one stained glass bird design. They sell it for $35, but you can buy the same product on AliExpress for $9. The profit margin is significant, and it's a simple business model to scale. Why this works? Stained glass is a niche product with a growing audience. Because each piece is considered unique and artistic, customers are willing to pay a premium for it, allowing you to maintain high profit margins. 4. Selling digital printables, planners, wall art, stationery. Printables are one of the most underrated work-from-home business ideas. With digital printables, you create the product once and sell it an infinite number of times, making it an excellent way to generate passive income. How it works. Printables are digital products that customers can download and print themselves. These include planners, wall art, invitations, calendars, and more. Once you create the design, there's no ongoing work aside from marketing. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping because the product is delivered instantly upon purchase. Steps to start. Choose a niche. Decide whether you want to focus on planners, invitations, wall art, or something else. Design in Canva. Use Canva to create your printable product. Canva has pre-made templates for planners, calendars, and wall art, which you can customize to fit your style. Sell on Etsy or Shopify. Once your design is ready, list it on platforms like Etsy or Shopify as a digital download. Automate delivery. When a customer buys your product, it is automatically delivered to them via email or through the platform. Example, let's say you create a budgeting planner that sells for $10. If you sell 100 planners per month, that's an additional $1,000 in passive income. And since it's a digital product, there are no production or shipping costs. Why this works. Printables offer scalability and passive income potential. They are highly customizable, and there's a wide audience for everything from wedding invitations to educational worksheets. Plus, you only need to create the product once, and it can be sold repeatedly. 5. Selling spreadsheet templates. If you're someone who enjoys organizing data, then selling spreadsheet templates could be a perfect business for you. These templates are highly sought after by small businesses and individuals who need help with budgeting, financial tracking, project management, and more. How it works. You create useful spreadsheet templates, example, budgeting, habit tracking, profit and loss, or invoice templates, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Since these are digital products, there's no need to handle physical goods or shipping. Steps to start. Create templates. Use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to create various types of templates that can simplify a specific task for your customers. List on Etsy or Creative Market. Upload your templates to platforms where people are actively searching for spreadsheet solutions. Promote your templates. Use SEO and social media marketing to drive traffic to your listings. Example of profit potential. Spreadsheet templates typically sell for $10 to $30, and because they are digital downloads, the profit margin is nearly 100%. Some sellers make upwards of $200,000 per year just selling spreadsheets. Why this works. Spreadsheets are essential tools for businesses and individuals. Many people don't have the time or skill to create templates themselves, so they turn to platforms like Etsy to buy pre-made solutions. Plus, once you've created a template, it can be sold repeatedly, offering an excellent source of passive income. 6. Branded dropshipping. Branded dropshipping is a powerful twist on the traditional dropshipping model. Instead of selling random products, you build a brand around a specific product, allowing you to create a more loyal customer base and charge higher prices. How it works. In branded dropshipping, you take a product, let's say razors, and create a unique brand around it. A great example is Dollar Shave Club, which took a simple razor and branded it in a way that made customers feel like they were part of an exclusive club. Steps to start. Create a Shopify store. Open a store on Shopify and connect it with a platform like Zendrop, which allows you to source products for dropshipping. Choose a product. Pick a product that you want to brand. It could be anything from skincare to kitchen gadgets. Design branding. Use Canva to design your logo, packaging, and marketing materials. Create a story around your product to differentiate it from competitors. Launch your brand. Market your product through social media, influencers, and paid ads. Focus on building a community around your brand. Why this works. By focusing on a single product and and building a brand around it, you can create a loyal customer base. People are willing to pay more for products that feel exclusive or are marketed in a way that resonates with them emotionally. 7. Selling flip-flops via print-on-demand. Flip-flops might seem like a basic product, but there's a significant market for custom-designed flip-flops, especially during the warmer months or for niche markets like weddings, sports teams, or brand promotions. How it works. You can design and sell custom flip-flops using print-on-demand services like Printify. Much like with custom candles, Printify handles the production, shipping, and packaging for you. Steps to start. Design your flip-flops. Use Canva to create unique designs for your flip-flops. Think about custom designs for weddings, bachelorette parties, or branded gifts. Upload to Printify. Upload your designs to Printify and connect your Etsy or Shopify store. Market your flip-flops. Promote your flip-flops on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to reach your target audience. Profit potential. Flip-flops can sell for $20 to $40 depending on the design. If Printify charges $12 for production and shipping, you could make $8 to $28 per sale. Why this works. Flip-flops are versatile products that can be customized for various occasions or customer preferences. The print-on-demand model makes it easy to scale, as you don't have to worry about inventory or fulfillment. 8. Selling medium content books on Amazon. Medium content books, such as coloring books, activity books, and puzzle books, are a hot commodity on Amazon. Creating these books is surprisingly simple with the help of AI and online publishing platforms. How it works. You can use AI tools like Midjourney to generate content for coloring books, puzzle books, or activity books. Once the content is created, tools like BookBolt help you compile the book and publish it directly on Amazon. Steps to start. Choose a book type. Decide whether you want to create a coloring book, activity book, or puzzle book. Use AI to generate content. Use Midjourney or other AI tools to create unique content for your book. Compile and publish. Use BookBolt to compile your content and publish it on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform. Profit potential. Medium content books sell for anywhere from $10 to $20. And since they are digital products, your profit margins can be quite high. Once published, these books generate passive income as they continue to sell without any additional work. Why this works. The market for medium content books is growing, and the barriers to entry are low. AI tools make it easy to generate content, and Amazon provides a massive audience for your products. 9. Building WordPress websites for small businesses. WordPress website development is a high-demand service, especially for small businesses looking to create or revamp their online presence. The beauty of this business model is that you can learn how to build websites in a matter of weeks. How it works. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, and many small businesses use it for their websites. As a WordPress developer, you'll help businesses create new websites or redesign existing ones using tools like Elementor and Hostinger. Steps to start. Learn WordPress development. There are plenty of free tutorials on YouTube that can teach you how to build WordPress websites in as little as 2 weeks. Setup. Hosting with Hostinger. Use Hostinger to set up web hosting for your clients. Hostinger is affordable and easy to use, making it a great option for beginners. Install Elementor. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that makes it easy to create custom WordPress websites without coding. Profit potential. In your first year, you can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000 depending on how many clients you take on. As you gain more experience, you can scale your business by building an agency or subcontracting the work to other developers. Why this works. Every business needs a website, and many are willing to pay a premium for professional-looking sites. The demand for web developers continues to grow, making this a lucrative business that can be done entirely from home. 10. Creating and selling online courses. The e-learning industry is booming, with more and more people turning to online platforms to learn new skills. If you have expertise in any field, you can create and sell an online course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. How it works. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert to create a course. You just need to have enough knowledge on a topic to teach others. Once your course is created, it becomes a source of passive income as students continue to enroll. Steps to start. Choose a topic. Think about skills or knowledge you have that others would pay to learn. This could be anything from photography to digital marketing. Create course content. Use a combination of video lessons, PDFs, and quizzes to create an engaging course. Once your course is complete, upload it to platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, where millions of students are searching for new courses. Profit potential. Course creators on Udemy and Skillshare can earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on the popularity of their course and the niche they are in. Why this works? The e-learning industry is projected to grow to $840 billion by 2030, and there's a constant demand for new courses. Whether it's business, fitness, or technology, people are always looking to acquire new skills, and you can profit by sharing your expertise. 11. Starting a niche YouTube channel. Finally, starting a niche YouTube channel is one of the most profitable work-from-home businesses business ideas. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build an engaged audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. How it works. Instead of trying to appeal to a broad audience, niche YouTube channels focus on a specific topic, such as personal finance, fitness, or technology reviews. By targeting a niche audience, you can grow faster and attract more sponsorships. Steps to start: choose your niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Popular niches include personal finance, health, fitness, tech reviews, and education. Create content. Start creating valuable content that educates or entertains your target audience. Use tools like TubeBuddy to optimize your videos for YouTube search. Monetize your channel. Once you've grown your audience, you can monetize your channel through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Profit potential. Niche YouTube channels can generate 6 figures per year. With consistent uploads and the right monetization strategy, it's possible to make a full-time income from YouTube alone. Why this works. YouTube's reach is massive, and there are endless opportunities to build a business around your passion. By focusing on a niche, you stand out from the crowd and can build a loyal following, leading to long-term growth and income. There you have it, 11 work-from-home business ideas that can generate $1,000 plus per day. Each of these businesses offers unique opportunities, from selling custom candles to building websites for small businesses. The key to success is to pick the idea that resonates most with you, take action, and stay consistent. With the right strategy and determination, you can build a thriving business and achieve financial freedom from the comfort of your home. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching. And if you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.